Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to make chocolate branches, only way. Start by chopping your chocolate and melting it gently in a double boiler, then temper it to a glossy, snappy finish. Transfer tempered chocolate to a piping bag and practice strokes on parchment until you have consistent branch lines. Pipe main stems first, add smaller offshoots for realism, chill briefly to set, then assemble and finish with texture or salt. Gather quality chocolate, a reliable thermometer, piping bags, parchment, and simple tools like forks and toothpicks to shape textures. Measure and prepare ingredients so melting and tempering proceed smoothly with minimal reheating. Maintain a cool, dry workspace to prevent bloom and rapid melting while you work. Practice piping on scrap parchment to dial in pressure, then pipe branches of varying lengths for a natural finished look before chilling to set. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel and get more recipes. Quick recommendation: Dollar Banknote, a book that can truly change how you think about money, The Simple Path to Wealth. It's a friendly, practical read that pairs oddly well with kitchen creativity. Check the description for the link and other deals if you want to explore it. Thanks for watching, and now, let's get back to the video. Temper chocolate by heating to melt, cooling to the correct working temperature, and gently reheating for smooth consistency and snap. Use a thermometer to keep temperatures stable for dark, milk, or white chocolate to avoid bloom. Fill a piping bag and practice steady pressure to create consistent branch thickness and texture. Pipe main stems first, add smaller twigs, chill briefly to firm them, and then assemble or decorate for serving.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.